So I wanted to get a look at my seller dashboard because it's important to know that when you're below seller level, why you are below seller level. And the current seller level that I am at is 6.48 in transaction defect rate, and late shipment is 6.12. And that is the main reason why I am below seller level. And the reason for the late shipment is because had my handling time on one day. And sometimes, if you just aren't built to ship in one day, you aren't built to ship in one day. So I increased my handling time to 2 days, and I have yet. Oh, and I also removed Saturday and Sunday as a business day in my eBay policies. So here in your shipping preferences, you can change your working days and cutoff time here, and you can edit it. And I have edited it to 12 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday. So if anyone orders anything past 12, that day will not count pretty much as a order unless it's before 12 p.m., which is usually whenever I get up and get ready to ship anyway. So that's why I set it to that. So I suggest setting it up to about 12 as well. So we're going to take a look on how long it'll take for these defects to get removed, because you have two options from eBay themselves, where you look based on how the evaluation period and how much you sold recently. And if you had more than 400 transactions in the past 3 months, we'll count all those transactions. So if you're like me and have 7 defects, by the time you hit 392, I think, transactions, yes, you'll start getting those defects removed. And then by the time you hit 400, you'll have them all gone. And if you're like most sellers that are below seller level and you have fewer than 400 transactions in the past 3 months, they'll count all your transactions for the last 12 months. So you're basically going to have to sell 400 items in 12 months, or you're going to have to wait a year. And eBay doesn't want people selling on their platforms that are messing up. So best thing you can do is just ship on time. But getting out of below seller level is basically just pleasing eBay, and the best way to please eBay is just to ship on time. Ship on time and ship early if you can, actually. Ship way early, like same day if you can. But do not set it up in your business policy that you'll do that. Remember what I said. Do 2 days, or just an extra 2 or 3 days, just to be safe. And if you find that you're still messing up, then push it back even more. So this is the end of the video, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And if you're like me, below seller level, it's going to take some time, it's going to take some grinding, but you'll get through it. And I highly suggest that you look at the description and find any links in the description that can help you, like the link to the business policies and the shipping policies. So thank you very much for watching. This has been me, David D. Peace.